Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming VS Code is installed and a project folder is open so files land in the right workspace. Once done, create a new file and name it with HTML to trigger language detection. If VS Code doesn't recognize HTML, use the command palette, type change language mode, and pick HTML. Make sure extensions like HTML language features are enabled so syntax highlighting and emit work immediately. Now you refine behavior so HTML always opens correctly. Open Settings Ctrl+ and search file associations, add asterisk. HTML so VS Code treats files properly. Then check emit and snippet settings to speed markup. This is why you get tag completion and abbreviations. If features are missing, install an HTML extension pack, then reload the window. These steps ensure consistent IntelliSense formatting and live preview compatibility across projects. Finally, save your file with the HTML extension and use Live Server or the built-in preview to verify rendering. Configure a formatter, Prettier or the built-in HTML formatter, so your code stays tidy on save. Make sure emit expands correctly and that IntelliSense suggests tags. If something breaks, reload the window, check file associations in settings, and disable conflicting extensions. This usually resolves recognition or formatting conflicts quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.